But it is up to the choice of the people.
Cabinet Minister and MLA A.L. Hek held a meeting with the officers of the PWD to discuss about the deteriorating roads in his constituency. Hek said that the directions will be issued to immediately repair and restore the roads which have developed big potholes in his constituency. Hek also spoke about the status of the Polo beautification project.
That is work is under, the construction is going on, but they have to pull the sock now because the contractors are very slow. Today at 5 o'clock, I've called the CE and also the executive engineer of both the division. One is the Shillong Central Division, which is under my Pundarangrawasi, and also the PWD Bypass Division. They are coming now at 5 p.m. You can take the ring around also and you see and can discuss with them also. I'm going on particularly for this dilapidated conditions of road in my constituency.
With the rise